YouView boxes are popular digital TV recorders, but many users experience frustrating series recording failures. Today, we'll identify these common issues and show you immediate solutions that work. YouView boxes like the Humax DTRT-1000 and TRT-2000, along with BTV boxes, continue to experience intermittent series recording failures. Even with recent software updates, approximately 15 to 20% of users still face these problems. The most common problems include series recordings that stop mid-season without warning, duplicate recordings of the same episode, failure to record new episodes despite active series links, and recording conflicts that aren't properly managed by the system. Now let's look at 4 immediate solutions you can try right now to fix these recording problems. These quick fixes resolve most issues without needing technical support. First, try a soft reset. Hold the standby button on your remote or the front of the box for 10 seconds. This restarts the recording services without losing your existing recordings. Second, refresh the electronic program guide data. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Internet, and select Reset Internet Connection. This updates the program information that controls series recordings. Third, recreate the series link from scratch. Delete the existing series link, find the program in the guide, and set up a new series link. This ensures you're working with fresh program data. Finally, ensure you have adequate storage space. Remove old recordings to maintain at least 20% free space. Insufficient storage is a major cause of recording failures and conflicts. These 4 immediate solutions resolve 70 to 80% of YouView recording issues. Try them in order, and most recording problems will be fixed quickly without needing advanced troubleshooting.